Hey guys, Nick Tasman here with Healthy Basements. We are on the tail end of an install here in Ronkonkoma. We actually are installing our patented product, WaterGuard. A little bit different of an install here because we had a higher footing, so we had to break our trenches a little bit wider. Typically, we install WaterGuard right on top of the footer. Instead, we had to install a flangeless system in front of the footer with a flow guard to extend our flange back to the wall, just to allow us to basically install the system as we would, but without damaging the structural integrity of the home. Right, so we got a nice vapor barrier up on the wall here. Our homeowner was getting some water intrusion due to some poor drainage in the soil outside, so during heavy storms, they're getting hydrostatic pressure that builds, and water is wicking its way in between the floor wall joint, right? So that footing joint there is exactly where the water's coming in. So we put in a partial system on 2 of the 4 walls in this basement, along with some trench drain around some of our larger obstacles, vapor barrier. We're cementing it all into the ground now. I think that's about it. I think that's everything I can tell you for today. Check back in next week, see what we're working on.